Hi friends, we are very happy to announce the results of the All India Scholarship Test for GATE CSE 2022. You can check out the whole results by just going to our homepage, which is gate.appliedroutes.com. At the top, you'll see this banner where if you just click on Know More, it will take you to the same page where you have participated in the scholarship test. Please log in with the same credentials that you have used. Now there are two buttons here. If you click on the summary button, it will take you to a page with detailed summary of your test report. So it will tell you how many questions you got right, how many questions you got wrong, how much time you have taken. If you click on the view reports, it will give you a detailed report, and it will also, if you click on the solution report here, it will tell you which all questions you got right, which all questions you got incorrectly, and things like that. So please check your results here. Additionally, if you click on the rankers list, it will take you to this page where all the results are published. Now again, all the details about the scholarship test results are clearly mentioned on this page. Any questions you have, feel free to reach out to us via email. This email address you can use. Now, in this scholarship test, we had 3,422 students who participated. First and foremost, a big thank you to all the students who have taken time to participate in the scholarship test. Now, if you're looking for the top 200 rankers list, just scroll down. You'll see all the top 200 rankers names, their rank, and the marks they got in this test. Now, if you see, the top 200 ranks are roughly people who got 50% or more marks. Roughly. I'm not saying exactly, because this test was for 70 marks, and people who got 34.35 or above are in the top 200 rankers. And there is also this instance where if somebody, like, look at this, there are four test participants actually. There are 4 test participants who got the same scores, and hence all of them are given the same rank. And we skip 142, 143, 144. We directly go to 145. This happens more and more as you keep going down the list. Again, congratulations to all the students who got in the top 200 ranks. It's a big achievement for you, to be honest with you. And please continue to prepare hard. Another very interesting data point was in the top 200 rankers, 92 students are course enrolled students. These are students who are already enrolled for our course. So that's about 46% of the total top 200 rankers are already our course enrolled students. And just like our non-course enrolled or non-course registered students, even these students would get refunds of the fee based on what rank they have got. Now, most importantly, this is very, very important, whether you got in the top 200 rank or otherwise. It is very, very important for you to keep your preparation, to continue your preparation. Be very disciplined and consistent. Don't lose heart that you did not get in the top 200, and don't get overconfident that you got in the top 200. What is important is a disciplined and consistent practice that you need to put in. This is mandatory if you want to succeed, because you have another about 7.5 months before the GATE examination. Again, here are all the details. If you're a course non-registered student, how to avail the discount. If you're a course enrolled student, how to avail the discount. Again, all these details are clearly mentioned here. Please read them if you're in the top 200 rankers. Another very important note we have clearly called out here. If you are one of the toppers and if you do not want to enroll in the course, please let us know so that we can give the benefits of the scholarship to the next eligible person, because we want to benefit as many students as possible. If you're not interested, that's perfectly all right. Please reach out to us and let us know over email as soon as possible, so that whoever is the next eligible ranker, we can benefit them. Once again, a big congratulations to all the top 200 rankers, and most importantly, a big thank you to all of the 3,422 students who have participated in this scholarship test. Again, whether you are in a top 200 ranks or otherwise, please make sure you are extremely disciplined and consistent in your preparation for the next 7 to 8 months, because that is what will determine your final rank in the GATE examination. All the very best to everyone. All the best to all the students who have participated in this scholarship test. And once again, thank you very much on behalf of the whole team at GATE Applied Routes for participating in this competition. Thank you very much.